Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply auto velocity effect to our video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new post on TikTok. I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to upload a video from my download folder. Okay, I'm going to check it. Alright, I'm going to add this video. For example, I'm going to apply auto velocity to this video. So I'm going to go to the editing menu. We can swipe up like this, or we can simply click on the symbol to go to the editing tools on TikTok. Okay, and make sure you have added audio to your video, because we can only add the audio velocity after we have added audio to our video. Okay, and then we're going to select the magic option, and here you will be able to apply the velocity effect to your video. You can apply this one or this one, camera zoom in. This effect is also used to create the auto velocity. And let's try it one by one. This is for the velocity effect, and I'm going to try this one as well for the camera zoom in and out. Okay, and you just need to choose the effect that you like. I'm gonna go with the velocity, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the final result guys. Okay, now the velocity effect has been applied to my video. And before you post your video, you can apply effect right here. You can choose the suitable effect for your video like this, and you can make it align with your video. Okay, and then once you're ready to post your video, you can click on next and click on post. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply velocity effect to our video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.